everybody, it's Brian the Scrap Guy, and today I am going to show you the basics of making an exploding box. It's actually really simple, and it takes about 4 sheets of paper. There are 3 layers to the interior box and a lid, and so I've taken 4 sheets of different colored Martha Stewart. I'm going to use the different colors to show you the different sizes. 3 different sheets of paper, starting at a 12 by 12 size, but you don't have to have it 12 by 12. The largest you have to have is a 9 by 9, so I'm going to cut it down to 9 inches by 9 inches. Oops, sorry, hit the camera. By 9 inches square. Okay. Save your leftover pieces because I'll show you what to do with those in a minute. That's the bottom layer. So this is, we're going to take our largest layer of the box and score it at 3 inches on all sides. So 3. Fold everything towards the inside of the box. And now you can either use your X-Acto knife or your scissors. I'm going to use scissors for this one because I don't have much time to switch out. So you're going to cut off all along your score lines. And you can use your paper trimmer for this too if you have one of those ones that you can like position anywhere you want. So you're going to do this on all layers. So then you come out with what looks like a cross, but it's really turns into your box. Okay? Save those pieces. The next layer is 8 5/8, so just over 8 1/2. And again, so this is the center layer, which is 8 5/8 by 8 5/8 square. And you're going to score this one at 2 7/8 inches from each side. So and then your last layer is going to be 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. So 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. We're going to slice through. The last layer you want to score at 2 3/4 inches on each side. Fold, 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 and fold, and we come back to that same place where we need to cut our pieces off. And again, we're going to save our pattern paper to the side, or scrap. Bottom of this box, you turn it over. See, I had written on the inside. Turn it over to the right side out, and just put your adhesive along the edges, and then line it up with the inside of the box. So now you have 2 layers in your box. We're down to 8 minutes, guys. And then we're going to get our ATG tape and place it on the inside. So here's your box, folded, and your lid fits securely. So when you open the box, it explodes. Now, I would just make sure that you fold back and forth a little bit so you get the full potential. But you can also take your pattern paper and make photo mats on the inside. You can ink the edges. There's a lot you can do. So it's really simple. That took 10 minutes. The lid is going to be 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So we're going to go ahead and cut that now. 5, 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. Okay, so now we're ready to score. So you're not going to need your cutting utensil anymore. So I'm going to bring out my Martha Stewart scoreboard. Sorry, I've got things falling off in the background. Boxes I have not opened yet. So, let's see where we want to start. Let's go ahead and do the lid, because it is the probably the easiest portion of it. So you're going to score the lid at 1.5 inches on each side. So, find my score tool. At 1.5. Just rotate all the way around. Sorry, that was not 1.5. That was at 1. I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. And then you want to fold to the inside on all sides. That one. Okay, so now you have your box. Then you take your X-Acto, or you can use a pair of scissors. I'll use scissors to show you, so you can see it on camera. I'm actually going to cut out just one line that I'd scored. And I'm going to do the same on both sides, so you can do either one. Just make sure that you do the same line on all sides. So now I'm going to turn it over and apply a little ATG to the corners. And then you're going to fold up, fold in, and fold up. So you make a nice, simple box lid. And if you use glue, you may want to clip it down so that it stays together. So here's your lid. See? Very simple. So I'll put all the measurements on my blog. They'll also be on slides in the video. And then you'll be able to see one that I made to answer a challenge from one of the followers. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. It's a pretty simple yet very impactful gift-giving item. So again, have a great day, and we will see you on Wednesday.